Hello everybody, and welcome to this short online demonstration of how to access your LinkedIn Learning online resources through the University of Oxford. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open a web browser please and navigate to the IT Learning Centre homepage, and the address for that is up here. It's skills.it.ox.ac.uk. Once we're here, you'll see these three tabs arranged across the page, and I'd like you to click on the middle one which says Molly. Now Molly is all of our online IT Learning Centre resources, and they come in two areas. One is LinkedIn Learning, which we're going to talk about today, and the other is the IT Learning portfolio. And just briefly, in the portfolio, that's where you're going to find all the course packs, course books, playlists, and other resources that we put there for you to help you either with classes that you may be attending or if you're studying alone. So it's worth checking that out when you have time. But today we're talking about LinkedIn Learning, so let's click on that. There's some blurb here, but just to let you know, it is free for all university members. And here we are at the single sign-on, which I'm sure you recognise. For today, I'm going to use a generic login for demo purposes. Now, LinkedIn Learning starts to load, and if you're a new user, this is what you're going to encounter. It's going to say, what are you interested in? So I'm going to choose a few here. I think I want to know about databases, and I'd like to know a bit about web development, and maybe some audio recording, and possibly some career development. So it could be a combination of soft skills, management, or software. So the interface starts to load up. Here we are. And you can see up here, for example, if you go to me, this is where your profile is, for example, when you want to sign out at the end, that kind of thing. And this here is where you'll start to make your collections of courses that you want to do. So let's do that now. I'm going to click in the search box here. And let's say you want to know about Adobe Spark. The results will come up, and you can filter these results, for example, for just courses, if you're only interested in looking at these courses, which you can do in your own time, go away, come back as you like. Or perhaps you want to troubleshoot something, so maybe you want to see some videos about Adobe Spark and address something more specific, that kind of thing. So if you do want to save a course, then all you would do is find the one you like. Let's say I want to do this one, Learning Adobe Spark, and I'm just going to hit save. And now I should be able to access that up here in my profile. So here's saved, let's click on that. And it should come up. You may have seen it flash up there. If it doesn't load immediately, you can always refresh the page. So I'm just going to hit Ctrl R. And there it is. And again, I can click on that and play it as and when I like. And when you do play them, they come in different chapters. They tend to have transcripts as well, and sometimes they come with exercise files too. So they're really good, very comprehensive online courses. Just one more thing to add is there is an app for LinkedIn Learning that you can download for your smartphone, and that's quite nice. For example, you could watch it either on the move or on your phone while practicing on your computer at the same time. So quite useful that is too. So I hope this has been useful for you, and good luck with it.